In this lesson, we will see the struct update syntax topic. If you want to change some values of our structure and get the rest values from another structure, you can easily implement it with this syntax. As a note, I have to reduce the font size as the number of lines in our next examples will increase considerably. Let's start by creating a new struct first. Let's create a struct instance and bind it to the variable. We have created our struct. Let's print it with the println macro. It is also possible to print using debug formatting after the variable name. I am going to make a mistake here on purpose. As you will know from our last lesson, the reason we got an error is that we didn't derive the debug implementation. Let's fix the problem as the compiler suggested. Now, I will create a second form model. I don't want to write it again here because some features are the same as the first form model. That's why I am going to use struct update syntax. Now let's print it out and compare the two structures. As you can see, we filled up the remaining fields in the same way. Moreover, you can also use it in different situations with the self keyword.